Got home a little late from the studio, but I got both inspectors out tonight to see what's going on. Boris, what do you think? They haven't done the half bathroom yet. And oh, look at this. We're headed into the bathroom. Shower, very cool. They've got the this is our big accordion door. They started working on the deck sill plates. This is our fun corner window, signature inspired ADU look. This is going to be the kitchen island window, and then there's a door right into the kitchen to drop your groceries. Uh-oh, let's see what Boris is eating. Something delicious. This is Mary's bedroom. Window, door, window seat. Jersey's over in Nancy's bedroom. Checking it out. And it's looking good.